A bill meant to protect you from driving off the used car lot in a recalled car is a step closer to becoming law. But as Julie Watts tells us, consumer groups are not happy.
Unsafe cars, they've got to go.
Consumer advocates have spent years trying to force used car dealers to fix recalled cars before selling them. Well, now the car dealers have come up with a bill of their own. Instead of requiring dealers fix the recall, the California New Car Dealers Association says dealers should be required to tell you about the recall and where you can get it fixed yourself.
What this bill really does is give consumers information when they didn't have that beforehand.
Now, the bill would require dealers fix recalls in some cases, like if you're buying the recalled car from a same-line dealer, like a Ford from a Ford lot, or if it's in the do not drive category, less than 6% of all recalls.
These are issues that affect human life and safety.
Callie Hauk knows firsthand about the dangers of recalled cars that don't fall into the do not drive category. Both her daughters were killed in a crash directly related to an open recall on their rented PT Cruiser.
The problem is very prevalent.
Like dealers, the bill allows a rental car company to rent you a recalled vehicle as long as they tell you about it, even though renters don't have the option of getting it fixed. Hauk testified against the bill today, urging lawmakers to require rental car agencies to repair recalls. And along with consumer advocates, she believes dealers should do the same. But the industry argues something is better than nothing, and currently dealers don't even have to tell you about a recall.
They've simply decided that they would rather have a bill that is perfect in their eyes than a bill that's good and is comprehensive.
Now, the bill passed the Assembly Transportation Committee about an hour ago, though it will likely face several revisions before its next vote. It also requires you, as a private seller, to research and disclose any open recalls before you sell a car. And dealers will have to give you a loaner vehicle while your car is getting fixed. But of course, there's no guarantee that the loaner won't also be a recalled vehicle.
But the dealers don't fix them? What do they say about that?
Well, you know, the dealers say that it could take months to get the parts needed for recalls. And we've seen this with several recent recalls. And so they're saying, well, now we're stuck with a car that we can't sell. Of course, now you as a consumer are driving a car that's been recalled.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. It's not safe. All right, Julie, thanks.